Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to do another dividend update video, and this one is for the month of May because I haven't done a lot of videos recently. But anyway, we're going to go over my portfolio, how it's actually performing, and what we can see kind of like for my portfolio in the next coming months. And we're also going to probably talk about as well with the stock market, what's happening right now during this crisis. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos, and I am currently documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you are interested in seeing everything unfolds, or just want to show your support, then a simple like and then sharing the video and subscribing to the channel helps out a lot already, and I want to thank you so much in advance in doing so. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. All right, so here we are in the dashboard of TD Ameritrade. As you can see, the current value of my portfolio is around $4,081.77. And if we actually look at the balance history here, it actually performed a lot better now, but I'm not actually confident with this performance because of how the entire market is actually performing, and we're actually probably going to talk about that later. But anyway, as you can see, when the let's go back here, 6-month time frame from the beginning of, let's say, April, right? The end of April it was around 3,500, and by now, right now is June 15, 16, 17 in the Philippines. But yeah, now it's actually gone up quite a lot, but still it's probably because of the positive sentiment of a lot of traders in the market, and we're actually gonna talk about that later on. But anyway, as you can see here, we're gonna go to accounts, we're gonna go history. I've pre-populated the filters here. As you can see, there's only 3 dividends here, and that one, for the first one, PCI, on the 1st of May, that was $2.33, and then STAG on the 15th with $3.18, and then lastly on the 18th with $1.98. It's pretty small right now. Obviously there's like not a lot of dividends coming in because one of them, which was APLE or Apple Hospitality REIT, stopped declaring their monthly distribution. So I have no other news whether or not they're actually gonna continue paying back monthly again, or maybe they're gonna change to quarterly or stop completely at all because of this crisis. So they're basically trying to make sure that they can keep up with their operations. So I'm actually gonna make another video probably in the next update and kind of like see where they are. But yeah, that's pretty much it for TD Ameritrade, and the total for this platform that I've earned through dividends is $7.49. Okay, so next one here is Webull. As we can see here, we're on the home screen, but we're gonna go to the bull icon, as I call it. And as you can see, the net account value is around $1,300. And if we actually look at the 6-month performance of it, it's pretty much the same with TD Ameritrade. Really, it's obviously because of the performance of the entire stock market. A lot of people are very positive with what's happening. It's because of also the Fed pretty much injecting a lot of money into the market so that it doesn't actually crash. But I don't really know if that's a very good thing or a bad thing, because a lot of people are actually going in and not just like ordinary people or like veteran stock traders, but like a lot of like ordinary people trying to make it on the stock market. So some of them don't actually know what they're doing, some of them may know what they're actually doing, but you know, like their actions are fueled by a lot of emotions, and you can't blame them because they really need to survive, and one of the places that you can actually make money is in the stock market. So that's what they've been doing. But anyway, if we go back here to the subject, let's go here to funds, and as you can see the type here, just click on dividends, and boom, on the 1st of May, I got dividends from AGNC, which is, by the way, a quarterly stock as well. So I got $5.20. The next one, AGNC, on the 11th with $1.56. And then the next one, NRZ, on the 15th is 75 cents. There you go. And then after that, on the 29th, with good dividends, $3.38. And then land on the 29th as well with only 49 cents. Now I'm not going to include AGNC there because you can see it's on June, so that's not included in our calculations. But anyway, overall The total for our Webull account or Webull portfolio is around $11.38. Now that's not totally bad, you know, considering with what's really happening, and I can't ask for more anyway. Whatever is gonna happen in the stock market, we can only speculate, and I don't want to actually do that too much, especially right now. A lot of people, like I said earlier, are going into the stock market hoping that they can actually make it big, and they're not really looking at the fundamentals anymore. They're just buying whatever is the cheapest, and then after that selling it again, and then now prices are overvalued because, you know, feds and other stock traders are actually making it go up. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the entirety of my stock portfolio. And if we total everything together with Webull and TD Ameritrade, $11.38 plus 7.49 is equals to $18.87. That is the total for my entire dividend income for the month of May. So that's only like what, 2 dinners, I think. All right, so with all that's happening right now globally, you know, like stock market is getting hit, and we don't really know the future of the entire global economy. What am I actually going to be doing now? For me personally, I'm actually going to stop kind of like reinvesting my dividends. I just want to save them for now because I'm not really sure if the market's gonna be any better anytime soon, you know. With a lot of people, they're saying that, like, you know, like the market is really good right now, and with what we've seen, like even on my portfolio is actually back up again, although it was actually $2,000 short. But it's quite optimistic in a very weird way right now in this situation. You know, like a lot of jobs aren't actually being fulfilled right now. There's high unemployment. Basically a lot of companies are either going bankrupt or they're really struggling, and, you know, they're not doing a lot of business right now. And what's really scary right now with the market is that a lot of people are just very, very observant of the price of the old things, so that we don't really know when this entire market is actually going to crash, just because a lot of people really believe that it's going to keep going up because of the price is still going up, you know. So, and then a lot of people have actually been cautious about that too. They're not really sure about this market, you know, moving forward, just like on a upward trajectory or a bullish trajectory. So I would rather be cautious and, you know, just save up my money right now. But in the meantime, I'm still going to look into ETFs aside from individually picking stocks, because ETFs is basically one of the safest vehicles that you can actually invest in if you are looking to just like really grow your portfolio and you know, like grow your dividends as well. They don't actually offer as much dividend yield compared to like going individual stocks, but the beauty of ETFs is basically they're a bunch of stocks within a single stock, basically, if you actually get what I mean. And then they hedge your risk. They're not as high yield compared to like individual stocks, compared to what I've actually been picking, but they are safe. And the one thing that we have to do right now is basically just to stay safe with our finances as well as our health. But anyway, that is my opinion of what's going on here and what my strategy is moving forward with my portfolio. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you have any suggestions for me regarding my strategies or some other tips that you can, you know, give me or advice, then definitely comment down below. Send me a message on my Instagram as well at Daily Dread. I'm pretty much there. I'm active. I try to be active as much as I can. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever I post new videos. And also add me on Instagram at Daily Dread so we can chat there. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.